Hi, welcome back to Unit 1 Sentences. This is Lesson 8, Coordination and Subordination. You'll find this information in your textbook on pages HB 37 through HB 39. When we combine two or more ideas in one sentence, we can use coordination to give equal weight to each idea or subordination to give more emphasis to one of the ideas. Assume, for example, that you're writing about your Aunt Irene. Aunt Irene made great strawberry jam. She did not win a blue ribbon at the Iowa State Fair. The sentence on the left, Aunt Irene made great strawberry jam, but she did not win a blue ribbon at the Iowa State Fair, is made up of two independent clauses of equal importance connected by a comma fanboys or coordinating conjunction. This sentence on the right, however, is a dependent or subordinate clause connected to an independent clause. The subordinating conjunction though makes what was previously an independent clause into one that can no longer stand alone. The emphasis is now on the part of the sentence that says she didn't win a blue ribbon, totally throwing some shade at Aunt Irene. To link ideas that you consider equal in importance, use a coordinating conjunction, a pair of correlative conjunctions, or a semicolon. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are also called fanboys conjunctions. They must be preceded by a comma. For example, the line in front of Preservation Hall was very long, comma, but a good tenor sax player was wandering up and down the street, comma, so I took my place at the end of the line. New models of coursework may need to be developed, comma, and instructors may need to be hired. This sentence is also a beautiful example of parallel structure, with its coursework may need to be developed and instructors may need to be hired. Be careful not to overuse and. Try to use the coordinating conjunction that best expresses your meaning. Mosquitoes survived the high-tech zapping devices, comma, but bites were a small price for an otherwise pleasant evening in the country. Instead of using and to connect these independent clauses, the writer chose but, which works even better to show the conflicting nature of the clauses. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that work together to connect parts of a sentence that have equal value. These are word pairs such as either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also, and just as so. This list pair is used in the following sentence. Just as the summer saw endless rain, so the winter brought many snowstorms. Please notice that, like the coordinating conjunctions, the second word in the pair is always preceded by a comma. Semicolons, those are the commas with the dot on top, have superpowers. With a single character, they can do the work of a comma and a coordinating conjunction, or a comma and a correlative conjunction, as in this sentence. Snowplows could not get through, semicolon, trains stopped running. You can also add them to transition words like however, therefore, or in fact. But the transition word needs to be followed by a comma. The 1996 film Space Jam stars Bugs Bunny and Michael Jordan, an unlikely pairing, semicolon. However, comma, the two are well matched in heroic status and mythic strengths. To emphasize one idea over others, put the more important one in the independent clause and the less important ones in subordinate clauses or phrases. In this example, the emphasis is on LaShawn renting a somewhat expensive apartment downtown. Of lesser importance is that he did it because he wanted to walk to work. In the second example, the emphasis is on his lower monthly expenses rather than the reason he was saving money. In this section on coordination and subordination, we discuss 3 ways to link equal ideas by using a coordinating fanboys conjunction, a pair of correlative conjunctions, or a semicolon. To emphasize one idea over another, make sure the independent clause is the more important idea, and the subordinate or dependent clause is the less important idea. Remember to check Canvas for any quizzes on coordination and subordination. I'll see you next time for Lesson 9, Shifts. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you need help. Slides Carnival and Unsplash designed this beautiful template and provided it to me for free. Thanks for tuning in.